You sit with your notes for hours, but when you need them, they don't talk back. They do not satisfy you and seems to be boring. What if your notes in PDF format or in the shape of video lecture could actually answer your questions, explain things like a teacher, and quiz you like a guide? Let me show you how to turn your boring PDFs into something you can interact with and actually learn from. You can also do by link of any lecture online available on internet. Step 1. Upload your notes. Your study upgrade starts with one simple upload. Take your PDF lecture notes, open NotebookLM, upload your file. Let AI read and understand your content. Now your notes are no longer just text, they are ready to work for you. Simple action, big transformation. Step 2. Tell AI what you want. The quality of your questions depends on what you ask. Create a clear prompt. Create quiz questions from these notes. Want better results? Try make MCQs, short questions, and true-false. You're guiding the AI like a teacher. The clearer you ask, the smarter it responds. You are now in control of your learning. Step 3. Focus on what matters. Don't study everything, study what actually matters. Add this line. Focus on key concepts and exam important topics. Now AI filters out the noise. It picks only the most useful information. Less confusion, more clarity. Study smarter, not harder. Step 4. Generate the quiz. This is where the magic happens. Click Generate. In seconds, your notes turn into a quiz. You get structured questions, clear format, ready to use. No manual effort, no wasting time. Your passive notes are now active learning tools. Step 5. Test yourself. Reading feels easy, testing builds memory. Try answering without looking at notes. This is called active recall. It trains your brain to remember. You may struggle at first, that's normal. Struggle means learning is happening. This step is where real improvement begins. Step 6. Check answers. Mistakes are not failures, they're feedback. Ask AI, give answers with explanations. Now you understand why answers are right or wrong. Your weak areas become clear. Learn faster by fixing mistakes instantly. Step 7. Repeat smartly. Consistency beats long study hours. Repeat this process daily. Focus more on weak areas each time. Your memory improves. Your confidence grows. Small daily wins lead to big results. Target. Conclusion. You didn't just study, you built a smart learning system. Start today. Turn every PDF into a powerful quiz and watch your grades improve step by step. If you desire to see more such useful tutorials, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.